In the last episode, Emily and Mauricio created a drawing that split Jasmine's office into 4 areas. The orange rectangle represents the area of Imani's office, which is 80 feet squared. The area of the lime green square is 9 feet squared. Then there are 2 dark green rectangles left. Mauricio and Emily were not so sure what the area of each would be. They just knew that altogether, the area of Jasmine's office is 143 feet squared. In this episode, Mauricio and Emily will find the area of the 2 remaining rectangles inside the drawing of Jasmine's office.
Imani's office is 10 feet long and 8 feet wide. Jasmine is planning an office that is 3 feet longer and 3 feet wider than Imani's. Redraw Jasmine's and Imani's rooms on the grid.
So this time I'm asking you to make the same drawing you did before, only this time it's going to be really neat because it's going to be on the grid.
Yeah.
And I want you to see if you can figure out in that 63 square feet, if you label that bottom quarter 9 square feet, what is the square footage of the other 2 pieces? That is a beautiful drawing. Can you tell me about it?
So this whole green, it's 80 feet squared and it's Imani's office. And the red and the yellow that you see outside is Jasmine's extra space, which is more than Imani's.
How much more?
3 feet more?
No, it was 63 feet square more.
So in
Yeah.
area, it's
63.
Yeah. But tell me about the 3 feet, Emily.
Because Jasmine's that's like long, right? By long, it's like 13 feet instead of 10. And then instead of 8 feet on top, it's 11 feet instead of 8.
And just with your, pointing, tell me how you found the area of the red parts.
This,
Yeah, how you found it?
that's 3. And then that is 10. So 3 times 10 equals 30.
Okay.
And then right there it's 3. And then over here it's
8.
8. So 3 times 8 equals 24.
Okay, awesome.
They did it! Emily and Mauricio now know the area of each of the 4 parts of Jasmine's office. They had already found the area of Imani's office, shown in green here, as 80 feet squared. They had also previously found the area of the yellow part, as 9 feet squared. In this episode, they found the area of the two rectangles that they shaded in red. One of the red rectangles has a width of 3 feet and a length of 10 feet. So the area of that rectangle is 30 feet squared. The other red rectangle has a length of 3 feet and a width of 8 feet. So the area of that rectangle is 24 feet squared. Knowing the area of each of the 4 parts of Jasmine's office will help Emily and Mauricio in the next episode when they are asked to write equations that show different ways to find the area of Jasmine's office.